We're going to be showing you what gear we use. We're going to be showing how goofy we are.
And hopefully you like it.
And in case you're stumbling upon this on YouTube and you have no idea who the hell we are, we're on Instagram. I'm at Hey Pancakes.
I'm at Dirt and Glass.
Eventually I'll get savvy enough to put that stuff somewhere on the screen, but that stuff will be down below in the description.
We're crossing through the Berkshires right now, heading to the Catskills for the weekend.
To the Hunter Greenhouse.
So, hopefully you enjoy this. Outside.
We will.
Hi.
We just got to Catskill Falls and we're going to show you something really cool if you haven't been to the Catskills. And if you have and you haven't been here yet, well then get on it. Because it's awesome.
Setting up for a cinematograph shot with some hot cocoa.
Ooh.
By the fire.
All right, we're gonna go now. It's been real. It was really fun. I hope you enjoyed our first ever YouTube behind the scenes video. These are gonna happen more often, and we'll see you next time. Or on Instagram. Bye.
Peace.